Hey guys, my name is Bam Amor of adobotech.net, and in my hand right now is the new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So here's my quick hands-on with this latest flagship device from Samsung. So first up, the screen. So meron siyang 6.4 uh, Dynamic AMOLED Infinity display. So kung mapapansin nyo, wala na siyang notch sa taas. It has 19:9 aspect ratio. And if you're looking for the selfie camera, so as you can see, meron na siya dito. It's called the pinhole selfie camera. It has 10 megapixel plus 8 megapixel camera sensor. So as you can see, napakaganda ng screen. It looks really gorgeous. Okay, so moving on at the bottom, so you have yung speaker grill, microphone, Type-C connector, and 3.5 audio jack adapter, which is really nice for Samsung to include this. Okay, going to the top is yung SIM card slot and yung another microphone. So, yung SIM card slot is hybrid type. So, ibig sabihin, pwede mong gamitin dalawang SIM card, or you could choose one SIM card and one micro SD card slot. So, yun. Sa likod, so this is Samsung first flagship device to feature a triple camera setup. So meron siyang 12 megapixel wide angle plus 16 megapixel ultra wide and another 12 megapixel telephoto camera lens with syempre the LED flash over here. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung likod or yung back cover is glossy. So yung color looks like this one is emerald green. Medyo fingerprint magnet lang yung back cover, but it really looks nice. Okay, so on this side is yung volume control and the Bixby button. This is Samsung proprietary AI for Galaxy devices. And on this side naman is yung power button. Okay, so internally, so yung processor, I'm not really sure if it will be or it will come with yung latest Snapdragon 855 or yung Exynos processor. So by the time you view this video, I'm sure na release na kung anong type ng processor meron si Samsung S10 Plus. But it will come with 8 megapixel or 8 GB RAM plus 128 GB internal storage, and expandable siya up to 512 GB using micro SD card slot. Okay, so in terms of features, so it support or meron siyang IP68 water and dust resistant, face recognition, Dolby Atmos stereo speaker, always on display, scene optimizer, fast wireless charging 2.0, and wireless power share. So kung mapapansin nyo, wala na rito yung fingerprint scanner. So the Galaxy S10 now supports in-display fingerprint. So we'll just show you, o papakita ko lang to very quickly. Okay, let's see. Fingerprints. So, ayun siya. So, andito na siya ngayon. You can set it up easily. Okay, so another cool features ng Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is yung wireless power share. So, ibig sabihin, pwede ka na mag-charge ng other devices by placing it here. And maglalabas din si Samsung ng wireless earbuds. And yung wireless earbuds na yun is capable of wireless charging. So, lalagay mo lang siya dito and pwede na siyang mag-charge, which is another cool feature for Samsung. So, that's it. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is the new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus.